Hi guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel, Quick Guy. And today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can turn off your active status on your OnlyFans account. To do so, first of all, just log into your OnlyFans from your PC or browser. And after you have logged into your account, you can see you are on the home page. After that, go on to my profile, which is on the left side of the screen. And as your profile loads up, here you can see an option for available, and right beside it, a down arrow button. If you click on this, you can see two options, that is either available or invisible. If you want to be seen, you can click on available, but if you want to turn your active status off, you need to be on invisible. Now choose invisible. After that, you have to refresh your page. And after refreshing your page, you can see that now your active status on OnlyFans has been turned off. And that's how you can turn your active status off on your OnlyFans. This was for this video, and I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for review, and for more content like this, see you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.